Hello friends, welcome to Nand Kishore classes. Today's lecture is going to be very important. We are going to do a simplification problem. One of our viewer has sent this question. Let us have a look how to simplify this type of question. First of all, when I was analyzing this question, I could see square root of 3 here. 1 upon 3 then square root. It is nothing but 1 upon root 3 only. But it is striking in my mind that root 3 is involved everywhere. Now the point is square root of 48. We can also convert it into root 3 form. How we can convert? Let's have a look. See, square root of 48, you can write it as 4 times 4 times 3, right? 4 times 4 is 16, 16 times 3 is 48. And in this question, it is 5 upon 2 multiply 1 over root 3 I am writing instead of root 1 over 3, because square root of 1 is 1, then root 3, and at the end I am having 4 root 3. This is what I am having. Now this 4 is in pair, so this 4 will come out. If this 4 comes out, it will be multiplied with 3, and we will get, obviously we will be left with only 3 inside. And here, since root 3 is in the denominator, so I need to rationalize it. How would I rationalize? Square root of 3 means I will multiply and divide by same number, root 3, and then plus 4 root 3 we have. I hope this step is clear. 4 times 3 is 12 root 3 minus 5 upon, see, root 3 times root 3. Root 3 multiply root 3 is 3 only, and 3 multiplied 2 is 6, and 1 multiply root 3, it is only root 3, and at the end we have 4 root 3. This is what we have right now. Now this is 12 root 3 and this is 4 root 3. 12 plus 4, 12 plus 4 is 16. So we will have 16 root 3 minus 5 upon 6 root 3. See, I'll have to clean the board. You can take screenshot till now. In the last step, we have 16 root 3 minus 5 over 6 root 3. Let us continue solving it. I'm not removing the question from board, but I am removing first and second steps. Okay. Now there is no denominator here. That means denominator is 1. You need to make denominator same, or we can say LCM of 1 and 6 is 6. So further simplifying form, take denominator 6. 16 multiply 6 is 96. So you will get 96 square root of 3, then minus 5 root 3 will remain as it is because denominator is already 6. And the last step, 96 root 3 and 5 root 3, see, these are like terms, both are containing root 3. So 96 minus 5 is 91. So I'm getting 91 root 3 over 6 as the final answer of this simplification. I hope you are clear with this concept. Thank you so much for watching the video.